Welcome! Alpha stETH is the next evolution in staked ETH yield optimization, and in this quick guide, we'll show you how to deposit and start maximizing your Ethereum returns. Start by clicking the Wallet Connect button. Connect your preferred wallet. Select Alpha stETH. This opens the Alpha stETH Vault Details page. See the Vault's goals, highlights, risks, and FAQ. Alpha stETH dynamically reallocates across top DeFi protocols to optimize your stETH exposure. Click the Deposit button to proceed. In the Deposit pop-up, choose your deposit asset and enter your amount. Once ready, click Submit. On your first deposit, your wallet will ask for a spending cap and a confirmation. Next, your wallet asks you to confirm the deposit. Click Confirm to proceed. Once confirmed, a success notification will appear at the bottom right of the page. You can click it to view your transaction on Etherscan. We're excited to support you on your ETH journey with Alpha stETH. For any questions, we're here to help.